video we are gonna be installing the rock lights, and I had to get extensions for these rock lights because they were not long enough for the truck. Sorry for the wind noise, but it's really windy outside. Yeah, so the extensions came in today. I'm gonna add them to each light, and I am gonna connect the rock light smart box into the truck where I ran the auxiliary 3 switch. So that wire goes into the auxiliary 4 switch that goes into the car that comes factory on the Ford Raptors. And this sits in the trunk. I was gonna do some trunk lights and stuff like that, but currently I'm using it for the light bar, and I'm gonna use it for the rock lights also. So I'm gonna sync them together. They're gonna have both different switches inside the cabin, but I want them to come on at the same time. When I turn the light bar on, rock lights come on. Yeah, so let's get this started. I'm gonna add the extensions to each and every one of the lights because they were too short. So yeah, I got the silicone ready. I'm gonna drill into the fender flares. I don't want the LEDs to be visible. I want it to glow without them, without us seeing where the LEDs come from. So yeah, after that, we're gonna wire everything up and plug it back here. And yeah, let's go. Let's get started. And I'm gonna show you the process about it, how we're doing it, how we're mounting it, and where we're gonna mount the box. So let's go. First things first, I'm no professional in waterproofing anything. Do your own research and do this at your own risk, but this is how I'm gonna do it. And yeah, this should work. I've been doing this for years, and this is what I do, and works fine for me. It doesn't bother me. So let's get started. I'm gonna do all the connections like this just to make sure they're waterproof, and then I'm gonna silicone seal all the lights and all the wires, even though they're already silicone sealed, just to winterproof all this, and then wire back up. We are using the drill to make the pilot holes, and then we are gonna use the 12,000 screws and a drill, put it inside. There you go, that's the finished product, man. Lights are shining on.